Shugor naga Shlem jong unongsan Hima.
Katu kat ni Ngut ki Pulit ka jela kila Mynsaw ha ka janmit jong ka arpusaw trik unaitung. Hadin ba upat bhur ula kawang mau syaka jaka ba menteri rangba ka jela u Conrad kongkal sangma udang penlong ye ka Jingïakawang bat ki kinhon seng halor ka jingdawa ban pentrekam da ka backlog policy ha ka thungkam thungjam bat ka jing penlong ye ka nongba Tura kum ka nongba ha ka portlang. Kani ka Jingïakawang kala long ha mini secretariat kabadanru ka Shlem trekam u menteri rangba ha Tura. Kat ba upat bhur udang kawang mau nakaliang ki Pulit kila sedang ban siat da kala air pensat kemat ban penpera yaki. Layo jing tibru bahaduk menta Ngut ki Pulit kila Mynsaw na kani ka jing bitar jong ki pat ba. Watla ya ka daw batikna ampat la ban tip kai ka bala penlong yu upat bhur ba ke bitar henroi la suba bakam don ka jing hun bat ka Jingïakawang jong kitei ki seng bat menteri rangba. Hadu bathok ya kini ka khubor ka jinglong jingman ha ka jaka kadang songs air baru menteri rangba menteri katanat PHE Marcus and Marak lembat Kiwei pat kiba kinthop ya ki nongelam jong ki seng kidang Sahkut ha ka Shlem trekam.
Nambayan.
Share gas kalci chingjo krongthego chi chingjo obosa dungjo jo chokki galru jo takar kingjo
Today we had a meeting with different NGOs at two different locations, and these from Garo Hills, the different NGOs and organizations. Some of them we met them in Circuit House, and some of the organizations we have met in the Commissioner of Division's Chief Minister Secretariat office here in Tura. During the course of the discussions with different NGOs, issues concerning the implementation of the roster was discussed, and second was the issue of the winter capital. And they have expressed that in both the areas in the roster there has been a vast discrimination, where a lot of the posts that were meant for Garos were given to other communities, and hence they demanded that backlog should be done. And hence we've explained the entire process of the roster system and how the OMs have come out, and explained to them how all the legal aspects have been taken into consideration, and that's how the roster system was finalized. And they have suggested that if there could be any other ways and means to make any kind of further opportunities, especially in the Garo Hills region, then that should be explored. And we said that yes, we can definitely examine that aspect, and if there is any further concern that they had regarding the rosters, I have invited them officially. around the 8th and 9th of August to Shillong. If they can come, and the cabinet ministers and other government officials will be there, as today I am only accompanied along with my PHE minister, and hence this matter can be discussed more in broader detail there. So that's first. And regarding the winter capital, I have mentioned to them that the entire objective of having a winter capital has multiple aspects. First aspect is regarding the overall administration getting stronger and ensuring that the different services that are provided to the people can be provided from say Tura itself without people having to go to Shillong. And that aspect of administration can be also achieved by strengthening the joint directorates that are present out here in Tura, as well as strengthening the commissioner of divisions, and also with the establishment of the mini secretariat. In due course, we should be able to improve the overall system in the administration and ensure that people would not have to travel very far to Shillong for most of the services they would like to hear from different departments. The other aspect was the aspect of if winter capital was to be brought out. Number one, it would also require legislation, and hence discussion and would have to be held with all political parties and with different MLAs. This would have to be created, and hence those aspects at a broader level could be initiated and discussed with other MLAs also. And hence in the meeting in Shillong on the 8th and 9th, I have urged that we will call political parties also, where this matter on how to look at the other aspect of a winter capital can be discussed. That also was agreed upon. But in the first instance, as I said, we have also looked at ensuring that the strengthening of the joint directorate offices and the commissioner of divisions and the CM secretariat is done, so that the first part of the objective of having a winter capital, which is to ensure that administration gets closer to the people and also to ensure that services are provided to the people, can be taken up. So these matters were discussed, and broadly the organizations have agreed that they would come for the discussion. And regarding the other matters of how they would proceed, they are yet to take a call. They're going to have a meeting, and we have urged them that now that we are discussing the matter, they can stop the fasting that they are doing and discuss everything in amicable and a proper manner, so that we can take the discussions forward. So we will wait for further communication from them and accordingly act. And as I said, the invitation to come and meet the cabinet and the senior officials in the first week of August is already been given, and we expect to hear from them for that discussion further.